Hey everyone, welcome back. So I was just changing the blade on my bandsaw mill and thought I would just real quick put together a video on how I fold and unfold a bandsaw blade for my bandsaw mill. It took me a bit to get the hang of it, and even still I could definitely use some practice, but just wanted to share my experience and how I do it. If anyone has any comments or questions, anyone has any suggestions, I'd be very grateful. And if this helps somebody else pick up any tips or tricks from my video, then even better. So here we go, we'll just jump right into it.
All right, now that I get the blade off the mill, I'm going to show you my preferred way for folding the blade. And I'm not very good at it. I still have a lot of practice to do, but so I basically just push it up against a log or a piece of wood like this with the teeth facing up, and I just grab onto it with my hands like this here with the teeth facing up. Push the teeth into one of the logs, and as I walk towards it, fold my hands in and down, and that's how I coil a blade. Now I'm going to go get a new blade and show you how I unfold one. Alright, now I get a new blade. I took the wire off that holds it together, and now I'm going to show you how I open it. So I learned this from watching a video on YouTube. So Woodmiser has a good video out on how to coil and uncoil a bandsaw mill blade. So I basically follow exactly how they show, and the same thing with coiling it, same process. So you have 3 coils. You take 2 into your right hand, 1 into your left hand, and there's 3 different possibilities. So basically what you do is if you got it right, the figure 8 should be underneath the other ring, so it should be free and clear of the ring. If you grab one of the others instead of that one, you'll see the ring is behind the figure 8 instead of over the top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and back and grab the correct one here. So the figure 8's hanging below the other loop, and then basically just let it down. And I like to, they don't show this in the video, but I like to have it be near the log when I'm doing this. So I'm holding this with my left hand, and then I'm going to let out. And I like to be near the log when I'm doing this, because this way it won't spring up at me. So that wasn't exactly the most gracious thing, but I haven't done this enough times yet to really be proficient at it, but it gets it done without me hurting myself, so I'll take it.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to pick up something from this video that might possibly help you. And at the very least, if you have any questions, suggestions for me, I would certainly appreciate it. And as always, I really appreciate you watching the video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you did like this video, please check out some of the other videos on the channel, and if you like them, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put out more videos. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.